Welcome back to another edition of Why Real Estate. I am your host, Lane Thompson. Wow, what a time to be alive. It was so interesting watching the results in that election play out. You know, Donald Trump is our new president. He is number 45 and now number 47. And there were some interesting things said and promises made during the election process that will vastly affect real estate and consumer spending, overall debt, job opportunities, the entire American economy. I mean, you can see the effect that that decision has made as markets have reacted so positively that we anticipate the same thing happening with the real estate market. Now, I will say it is typical for the real estate market to spike after an election, regardless of which party wins. And it will take some time. If he truly is going to try to abolish the income tax, he has to do something to replace that revenue. And one of the things he's floated are tariffs. Well, tariffs over time have proven to actually raise the cost of living. Now, the intended effect of those with the Trump presidency is to lower our deficit with other countries and to replace the income tax. And so it's really more of a consumer tax when you look at it, which would, of course, affect those more affluent who consume more. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm excited for what lies ahead. My family and I, my siblings, other people I know are looking to capitalize on these next 4 years, and hopefully it carries beyond then. But some statistics that might interest you in what's going on in the real estate market is we've experienced from 2023 to 2024 about a 3% increase in sales. And it's projected in 2025 by Lawrence Yun, who is the economist for the National Association of Realtors. He believes that it will be about 9% in 2025, and we'll see an increase of 11%. Sales will be up 11% overall. Now, a lot of people have been tethered and tied to those low 2 and 3% interest rates on residential mortgages. Well, the interesting thing is life doesn't slow down, as there will be 3.5 million babies born this year. There will be 1.5 million marriages in the United States. There'll be about 700,000 divorces. There'll be about 3.5 million people turn 65 years of age. And largely those types of events are catalysts for real estate transactions. So we'll see less and less people tethered to those 2 and 3% interest rates because life is happening. A thing to think about, you know, homeowners in the last 5 years on average nationwide have increased their equity by about $147,000. This is widening the gap tremendously between homeowners and renters. If you're thinking of buying and you're not currently an owner, we have got to put together a plan for you to help you to become a homeowner. The net income, the net worth of a homeowner in the United States today is around $415,000, whereas for a renter, it's about $10,000. Just 5 years ago, I remember sharing statistics 6 years ago, 6 years ago, that the net worth of the average homeowner was about $250,000. So we're truly seeing the difference. And with projected interest rates to come down, this would be an excellent time before prices start to increase because interest rates come down and you find yourself having to compete like it was in 2020 and 2021 to buy a place. You'd have to have extra cash. If you can find a property, any property that fits your monthly budget, highly recommend getting into that property. Especially, like I said, as rates come down, you can always refinance, right? You've heard the term, you marry the house, date the rate, okay? This 100% applies in that scenario. And we fully expect, you know, as home real estate professionals, that we will see an increase in activity. And I know my team, we've been fortunate to be plenty busy these last couple of years. We anticipate to increase by over a third in the next year. And so if you want to get into the game and want to take advantage of the economy and where it's going and the trajectory of the overall economy, including real estate, give us a call, okay? Utah stands to grow as fast as any state out there. Again, between the birth rate, the job opportunities here, as well as lack of land, because especially along the Wasatch Front, there's not a whole lot of land left between mountains and mountains and mountains and lakes. However, there are plenty of opportunities, and if you're looking to invest, buy, or sell, definitely reach out to us. If you enjoy our content, please like, share, and subscribe.